Hello everyone, I am Deepak Purve. This video is for class 7th on subject mathematics chapter 8 ratio and proportion part 16. In this video, we discuss next question from exercise of this chapter. Today's first question is if 2a is equal to 3b is equal to 4c, then a ratio b ratio c, that is a is to b is to c, is equal to what? Here we given a relation between A, B and C, which is 2A is equal to 3B is equal to 4C. Then we have to find the ratio between these quantities. Now let's see the solution. This question can be solved by two methods. First method 2a is equal to 3b is equal to 4c. From this relation, we find the value of a and c in terms of b. Now, taking first two, then 2a is equal to 3b. From here we find the value of a, which is 3 by 2b. Now taking last two, then 3b is equal to 4c. From this we get the value of c, which is equal to 3 by 4c. यहाँ क्या किए हैं, तो c को अकेला करना था, c की वैल्यू फाइंड करना था, तो c को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई है तो 4 को उस साइड लेके चले गए, तो यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई उस साइड में जाने के बाद डिवीजन में चेंज हो गया 3 by 4c, सॉरी 3 by 4b, 4 इधर आ जाएगा तो 3 by 4b हो जाएगा. तो a का वैल्यू b में, b का b में ही रहेगा, ठीक है, और c का वैल्यू भी b में आ गया, ठीक है. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड a is to b is to c is equal to. Now we have to put the value of these. Now value of a, which is 3 by 2, b is to b, and c का वैल्यू क्या है 3 by 4 b. Now here we need to multiply these terms by the LCM of denominators of these terms. Here denominator of first term, which is 2, and second term is 2, second term is denominator of second term is 1, and denominator of third term, which is 4. So LCM of 2, 1 and 4 is 4. So we need to multiply these terms by 4 for removing denominators. Then this can be equal 4 multiply 3 by 2b is to 4b is to 4 multiply 3 by 4b. Then 2 ja 4 and 4 1 ja 4. Then 6b is to 4b is to 3b. Now again dividing each term by b, then we get 6 is to 4 is to 3. This is the answer of a ratio b ratio c, that is a is to b is to c is equal to 6 is to 4 is to 3. This is the first method. From this method we find the value of given quantity in any one quantity. Here we find the value of A and C in terms of B. We also find the value of B and C in terms of A. Again, similarly, we also find the value of A and B in terms of C. किसी एक टर्म में, किसी एक क्वांटिटी में हम रिमेनिंग क्वांटिटी का वैल्यू फाइंड कर लेंगे, फिर उसकी वैल्यू को पुट करके हम जो है रिक्वायर्ड रेशियो फाइंड कर सकते हैं. नाउ लेट्स सी द सेकेंड मेथड. Now let's see the second method. Second method is 2a is equal to 3b is equal to 4c is given. Now let's this relation is equal to k. Let हमने क्या किया, इस रिलेशन को k के इक्वल मान लिया. ठीक है. Now we have to find these quantities in terms of k. Value of A in k, value of B in terms of k, and value of also C in terms of k. Then we get 2a is equal to k. From this A is equal to k by 2. Similarly 3b is equal to k. This implies b is equal to k by 3, and 4c is equal to k. This implies c is equal to k by 4. Now, so we have to find a is to b is to c is equal to, here we put the value of a, b and c. The value of a is k by 2 is to value of b which is k by 3 and value of c which is k by 4. Now we have to multiply these terms by LCM of the denominators of these terms, which is 2, 3 and 4. The LCM of 2, 3 and 4 which is equal to 12. 12 multiply k by 2 is to 12 multiply k by 3 is to 12 multiply k by 4. Then 6k is to 4k is to 3k. Now again we dividing these terms by k, then we get 6k by k is to 4k by k is to 3k by k is equal to 6 is to 4 is to 3. This is the final value of a is to b when given condition, that is 2a is equal to 3b is equal to 4c. Now let's another question, which is if a by 2 is equal to b by 3 is equal to c by 4, then a ratio b ratio c, that is a is to b is to c, is equal to what? This question also can be solved by two methods. Now let's see the solution. A by 2 is equal to b by 3 is equal to c by 4. These all are equal to k. Let then a is equal to 2k, then a is equal to 2k and b is equal to 3k and c is equal to 4k. a by 2, यहाँ 2 से डिवाइड है, 2 को उस साइड ले जाएंगे तो 2k हो जाएगा एक वैल्यू. से फिर ये और इसके साथ रिलेशन करेंगे तो b का वैल्यू 3k हो जाएगा। फिर c बाय 4 इज इक्वल टू k करेंगे एक रिलेशन तो c बराबर 4k हो जाएगा। नाउ सो a इज टू b इज टू c इज इक्वल टू 2k इज इक्वल टू 3k इज टू 4k। नाउ डिवाइडिंग these terms by k, we get 2 is to 3 is to 4 is the answer. Now second method, let's see the second method. A by 2 is equal to b by 3 is equal to c by 4. Now we have to find these terms in any one terms, in terms of any one quantity. From this we get a बराबर, now a by 2 is equal to b by 3. From this a is equal to 2 by 3 b. 2 से डिवाइड है, 2 को उस साइड ले गए तो क्या हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा। तो 2 मल्टीप्लाई में 2 ऊपर हो जाएगा, दैट मीन्स 2 by 3 b हो गया। ठीक है, अगेन b by 3 इज इक्वल टू सी बाय 4। यहाँ से क्या करेंगे, सी का वैल्यू निकाल लेंगे। ठीक है, तो सी का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा, 4 से मल्टीप्लाई हुआ है, 4 उधर जाएगा तो 4 by 3 हो जाएगा बी। ठीक है, तो ए का वैल्यू, सी का वैल्यू हम बी में निकाल लिए और बी में ही रहेगा। ठीक है, तो नाउ सो ए इज टू बी इज टू सी। नाउ पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ ए बी एंड सी। वैल्यू ऑफ ए इज 2 by 3 b is to b is to c. Here value of c is equal to 4 by 3 b. Now dividing, so on multiplying these terms by 3 we get 3 multiplied 2 by 3 b is to 3 multiply b is to 3 multiply 4 by 3 b. So here 3 cancel and 3 cancel, that is 2b is equal to 3b is equal to is to 4b. Again we dividing these terms by 4 we get again we dividing these terms by b we get 2 is to 3 is to 4 is the simplest form of ratio, which is the final answer of the given question. Here we see the answer in first method and second method. In both method the answer is same. Thank you for visiting this video. The remaining question from this chapter will be continued in next part of the video.